What's up, you guys? Welcome back for another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you're having an incredible week. Wanted to thank you guys super quickly for all the lovely, amazing, heartfelt comments on my last Q&A. Anytime I do a sit-down chit-chat, I feel like so many of you lately have been coming forward and sharing your stories about just being a single parent or your day-to-day life, so many things, and you know, just reading through them all always gets me so emotional. I've always kept it a top priority to really go through every comment on all my videos, which is getting a little hard to keep up on because I don't want to have an assistant or anything to reply back. I always want you guys to know that it's me. So if it takes me some time to respond to comments lately, please just know that as my channel is growing, I'm still totally trying. And I just felt so thankful and lucky once again to just have you guys as subscribers and followers. So if you haven't seen my last video, I can link it below, but you guys are just incredible and put me in the best mood. So I wanted to say thank you. So today I've got a fitness, physique, counting macros, food type of update, and I'm also going to share some new workout clothing that was super affordable. I put up a video 2 weeks ago now showing a grocery haul and telling you guys how I'm getting back on track. I've had a coach for counting macros and who also provides me 30-minute little workout programs that I work out, circuits that you can do at home and you don't need a gym. You guys know I've talked about her before. Her name is Leah. She's awesome, but I wasn't really following that over summer. I was following it super leniently, and I was going out to eat a lot with the person I was dating and just not feeling the best, feeling bloated. So I was super upfront with you guys about how I was feeling in my last video, and I told you that I'd come check in with you every week. And I've said that before, and I've let weeks go by. So this time I want to make sure I make at least one fitness video or progress update video a week, because right now I am in the best mood, you guys. My motivation is at an all-time high. I'm definitely someone who can lose motivation there for a bit, but when I get it back, I am so one-track mind, so focused. I have a trip to New York at the end of this month, and there's something that I really want to do in December. I don't want to say it quite yet, but I would feel so much better there if I was way more in shape. And I just have that mindset I had last summer when I lost a bunch of weight and nothing else was on my mind but getting healthy. Not to where it's obsessive, but to where you're really, really focused on it. I definitely lost a lot of that focus this summer, but anywho, this video is kind of where I'm doing or how I'm doing and what progress I've had. So since I made that video, it's been a week and a half. I have logged every single meal, every single snack, everything I've put in my mouth, I've put into MyFitnessPal and counted my macros to a T, and I'm down almost 5 pounds. So within a week to a week and a half, that's really good. I think the first 5 to 9 pounds are gonna come off pretty easily, just because that was all from binging / eating fast food and crap over summer. So I think that's gonna come off easily. Then I'm gonna have to really stay focused to stay consistent and lose the rest. But I feel so amazing this past week, and I wanted to share that with you guys. So I think in that video I shared with you guys that I was 168-ish pounds, and today I was 163.2. And a lot of you always ask my height, and someone commented in my last video too, they're like, girl, you lying about your height? Because I think in one comment I said 5'7", in one comment I said 5'8". I think I go between 5'7" and 5'8". I don't legit measure myself with a tape measure every day. I think I'm pretty kind of on the taller side for a girl. But yeah, whenever I'm around 140 is my ideal goal weight. Your girl will look hot fire in a bikini. So that's where we're trying to go. But I'm so happy with my progress this past week, and I just wanted to update you guys. I also, something for me to keep me motivated and inspired. You guys know I love getting new workout clothes. But I also love being on a budget, and I really like high-end stuff like Nike and Lululemon, so you know I have to pick it up when it's on sale. But usually those retail stores will only have a 5 or 10% sale at whatever point during the year they do have a sale. So I showed you guys on Snapchat the other day, I got this entire box of new workout sports bras and also a few Nike workout tanks for so cheap. They were literally 8 through 12 bucks each, which is great. I do always show my social media followers first if you want to follow me over there, but I want to show you guys here in a video as well. Everything I got is from ThredUp. You guys already know that I love them. They teamed up with me on a video 5 months ago or something, and I've still been repurchasing stuff from their site just because it's so legit. So their site, basically they have super, super lightly used items and new items, which I didn't know. I thought everything was secondhand, but I think my second order from them that I got, a lot of stuff still had the tag on. And I was wait, I thought I was ordering from a secondhand store, but actually I think it's half and half. Some stuff has been worn maybe once or twice, and some is brand new, which is super legit, and I wasn't expecting that. So they have fast shipping, amazing customer service, and they have Nike, Lululemon, Under Armour, high-end brands for super cheap. So If you're on a budget like me, but you want to look super cute, they don't just have workout clothes. You guys know I bought Christian some back to school clothes from their site. They have kids stuff, accessories, women's clothing, everything. So I want to show you guys what I picked up this time. I got this Nike bra like 60% off. Love the dark blue. I got a large in this one. Again, like doesn't look used at all. Then I also went ahead and got this other Nike bra. This one looks super tiny. I need to double check what size I got here, but it's the dry fit material, which I already own one of and I really, really like. Another hot pink Nike bra, which again was like 75% off. Absolutely love the fit of these dry fit bras. They're really good for cardio because they are very, whoa, lighting, very full coverage if you have a bigger chest, like myself. Also got, ooh, this Nike top. Haven't tried this one on yet. It comes with a built-in bra, which again, I usually don't like because I have a bigger chest and I never know if it's going to be enough coverage or like where the line cuts off at the bottom. But this color is gorgeous. Again, it was super cheap and I just love this for working out. So it's just like this long tank situation here. Also grabbed one Champion workout shirt in dark blue, just with a v-neck there. I got this in a large. This one does look a bit big, but I can always like tie it up to a little crop top or something. But this was like literally $5. And then I also picked up two Nike tanks, which this is the comfiest material I've ever tried on ever. I would pay like $40 for this tank at the actual Nike store because it's that good. I've already tried this one on and I loved it. I got it in a medium and in a large. To, you know, still be able to wear it when I keep slimming down a little bit, but this material is just so incredibly comfy. I love the gray, regular Nike symbol there. It goes all the way down. It's very, very stretchy, which I really, really like. So I got this in a medium and in a large. Again, I think it was like 60% off. And then I got one Champion sports bra. It was in the same category with that other dark blue shirt, so I just picked this up because I honestly think it was like $5. And then I picked up two shirts to just wear out. Like when I pick Christian up from preschool, I always just go in like workout apparel or like very basic jeans and like a v-neck and that's it. I'm so casual. It's so funny. I've met some of you guys at Starbucks or Target or whatever and I'm always like, oh, I'm so sorry, you're meeting me like right after the gym or when I'm super basic, and you guys are like, girl, shut up. We're all like that. But you can honestly catch me in workout clothes like 95% of the time. So I just got this v-neck from Massimo. Again, I think like $4.99 honestly, and then I got the same one in peach. Just super comfy everyday shirts. So again, I have ThredUp listed in the description box, so I'll link it down there. Go check out anything you guys want, put it in the cart, and then it will take off another additional 40% at the end, so you know we're about that bargain. So yeah, the rest, like the ending of this video, I wanted to show you guys 3 staple plant-based meals that I've been having, especially this past week when I am being super diligent on counting macros. These are what I've been eating to lose that 5 pounds within like 8 days. So I'm feeling super good, a lot less de-bloated, and I'm very excited to have like a positive update to share with you guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the kitchen, show you guys my meals. Give this video a thumbs up if you still enjoy fitness, food, physique type of content, chit-chatty stuff, you know the drill. Everything I talk about is always linked in the description box. If you're new, I would love for you to subscribe, but first let's go ahead and check out what I've been eating. Alright you guys, just wanted to share a few staple meals I've been having lately. I have plenty of full days of eating on my channel if you would like more of this content. But I picked up this baked tofu marinated. This was already ready to go. It's already cut up for you and seasoned from Albertsons. And also this Walk Me Up pack, which is what I had tonight. It's the sweet teriyaki flavor. So the tofu is already extra firm and cubed up and ready to go. I paired it with the cauliflower crumbles, which is kind of just like a fried rice blend with some carrots and cucumbers mixed in there already. And the calories on that are super low and you can have a lot. It's a very high volume food. So I basically am taking half of the tofu pack. Like I said, it's already cubed up. You just want to drain the water out first. I decided to pair mine with zucchini and some squash. So I just cut up a bunch of veggies, pop those in right there. I'm pretty sure I had the stove on medium. And all I did was add some of the teriyaki sauce packet that little Walk Me Up pack came with. I think this entire food packet was like $3 too, like super affordable. So I popped the sauce on, put a lid over that, and cooked it for 15 minutes. So everything got super crispy when it was all done. This is what it looks like. It actually kind of looks like chicken if you're new to being plant-based and you want something that's kind of crispy or like has the same texture of chicken. I think you would really like this. And a lot of you have mentioned to me that you're scared to try tofu, but adding that teriyaki sauce really just makes it taste awesome. Okay, moving on to some really easy breakfast options for Christian and myself. I found these non-GMO English muffins at Trader Joe's, so I put 2 of them in the toaster for us. And then I also really love having this maple and brown sugar 100-calorie oatmeal packs. Sometimes I like to mix mine with some of that peanut butter or this creamy almond butter, which I actually picked up from Costco. You can literally mix anything into your oatmeal that you like, whether it's fruit or nut butters or anything. You can definitely customize it. So I took 1 packet of the oatmeal, and then I put about 1.5 cups of water to cover all the oats, put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. It doesn't take long to cook at all. Then I picked some of this triple berry blend out of my freezer. Since I am counting macros, I did go ahead and measure out 1/2 cup of the frozen berries to put on top of the oatmeal when it was done. That's how it looks when it's done. Everything was all soaked up into the oats. Put 1/2 cup of the berries on top, and then I did go with 1 tablespoon of the smooth peanut butter. I wasn't really feeling like the texture of the almond butter today, but I like them both, and I like to have them both on hand. So I just mixed everything up, and I decided to have that with one of the English muffins actually on the side. So, you know, nothing too exciting here. Mixy mix. Okay. So both the English muffins were done. On mine, I did 1/2 an avocado on one side, and then I did some tomato on the other side. What my son really likes to have is 1 full English muffin with peanut butter on one side and jelly on the other. Then he'll go ahead and do some fruit, maybe like some strawberries and some pineapples on the side. There's also a really good egg replacement option if you're vegan or plant-based, and there's also a really good like meat replacement option you can get from a company called Gardein. They sell it at Albertsons, so you could put like a little meatless patty actually on the English muffin here if you would like to make your own vegan breakfast sandwich as well. So yeah, that will do it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave in the comments below any type of plant-based meals that you absolutely love. I'm definitely trying to expand what type of meals I make for Christian and myself and learning new recipes every day, and I'm really enjoying it. So give this video a like for me, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.